So here's a handful of common questions that we get from our clients. A lot of people want to know, can they actually go in there and manage the trades once the program's executed a trade? And that is not possible. In fact, you just heard Scott tell a little story there about how he tried to basically do that over the course of 6 years. And typically it only costs you money. So that is not something that you can do. Our programs are designed to run on their own and manage themselves. So it's not something where you can go in and adjust stops and targets. Another common question, can I trade in the same account? You can open a sub account under the name that your current auto trading account is in, but you cannot trade in that exact same account that the auto trading is in. We keep that separate, and that allows you to view your results separately as well. You won't get any trades intermingled in there and messing up your results. So the auto trading takes place in its own specific account. Now you can see your trades on a day-to-day basis. Every night you'll have access to a statement that you'll get an email saying your statement is available. You can go check it out. And that will tell you the trades that were taken for the day. You'll be able to see exactly where they entered and where they exited and what that amounted to. So the daily results will be there. You'll also get a monthly roundup of those trades as well. The monthly statement, which is what most people tend to focus on, is just kind of look at a month-to-month basis. But for those of you that need to see day-to-day activity, you will have a statement that will show you that. Another common question is futures trading risky? Well, all trading is risky. It doesn't matter what type of trading you're doing. All trading involves risk. I would argue that futures trading is not any riskier than any other form of trading the way that we do it. Every trade that we place has a stop attached to it. So every time we place a trade, we know where we're wrong and we're going to exit that trade if we are wrong. So we're going in each day with our strategies, knowing exactly where the uncle point is, and we execute quickly when that takes place. We also don't hold any trades overnight, and that can be a huge risk, especially for swing traders. Even trading stocks or whatever, you can hold overnight, and then you wake up to some sort of news announcement, and the market's moved 5% overnight. Well, that's not going to happen the way that we trade, because we're not taking on any position that will be holding overnight. So that is another way of getting rid of risk that common traders would have to address in their own trading plans that we don't have to worry about. So I don't see it being any riskier than any other form of trading, assuming that you're using good risk management. And as Scott talked about our risk management early on, we take that very seriously. And we do all that we can to mitigate risk so that we're never going to be surprised. Can we guarantee returns? No. And quite frankly, if anybody is telling you they can guarantee returns, that should be a major red flag. We cannot guarantee returns. We can tell you what our programs have done historically. We can tell you what they're doing this year. And quite frankly, we expect our programs to continue to perform in line with how they have in the past, but we can't guarantee that. Nobody can guarantee that. There's no crystal ball in trading. So all we can do is trade along with our statistics, which tell us where to trade. And we expect that the future will most likely be like the past, but we can't guarantee that. And then, can I use my existing broker account? If you have an account with one of the brokers that we use, then the answer to that would be yes. If you don't, then you'll need to open an account at our executing broker. Our main executing broker is the Fox Group. They're based out of Chicago. We've been working with them for 6 years, and they do an excellent job at what they do. And the good news is, if you don't have an account with them already, it's pretty quick and easy to set up a new account. You can probably be up and running within the week if that's something that you're interested in doing.
Even if you are a fantastic trader, and we actually have a market wizard. If you're familiar with the market wizards, is one of our clients. Even if you're a fantastic trader and you could leverage our signal, it's not even allowed by the brokers and the FCMs because it opens up opportunities for further risk when we've got algorithms trading, thinking that you're in a position and you're not, and so on. So it's not an option. I know it's something that we get asked frequently, but it's just not something we can do or will do.